Meta just dropped Llama 4 and it's trending everywhere. With AI models like Scout and Maverick, they're gunning to dominate the AI race. Could this shake up your WhatsApp, Instagram, even your smart glasses? Stay tuned to find out. What's good, tech fam? Welcome back to the channel, your hub for the wildest tech drops. Meta's making waves with their Llama 4 AI series. Outlets are buzzing about how this could flip the script for social platforms and smart devices. We're diving into what Llama 4 is all about, why it's got everyone talking, and what it means for you. Let's get into it. So what's Llama 4? Meta's latest AI lineup. Think Scout, Maverick, and a tease of something called Behemoth. Scout's a lightweight beast with 17 billion active parameters, running on a single NVIDIA H100 GPU and a crazy 10 million token context window, perfect for crunching huge documents or coding marathons. Maverick steps it up with 400 billion total parameters and 128 experts, built for chatbots and creative tasks like writing or image analysis. Oh, and Behemoth? It's still cooking, but Meta's hyping it as their smartest model yet, a 2 trillion parameter monster. These aren't just upgrades, they're Meta's bid to catch OpenAI and Google in the AI race. Why is this blowing up? 2 words: open source. Scout and Maverick are free to download. Check llama.com or Hugging Face, and Meta's already rolling them into WhatsApp, Instagram, and Messenger. Imagine smarter chats, better memes, or Meta's AI-powered smart glasses getting a brain boost. Being called a pivot to AI dominance, while others say it's Meta doubling down after lagging behind ChatGPT and Gemini. Social platforms could get slicker, and your smart devices way smarter. Some devs are geeking out over Scout's efficiency, while others are eyeing Maverick's chatbot potential. This could redefine how we connect online. But here's the catch: it's not all smooth sailing. Scout's lean and mean, but Maverick's a heftier lift. Though still just 17 billion active parameters, that's 400 billion total means it's no slouch. Some devs on X are worried about GPU demands or EU licensing quirks, but the hype's real. Meta claims Maverick beats GPT-4o and Gemini 2.0 Flash in coding and reasoning. Big if true. And with Microsoft jumping in, adding Llama 4 to Azure, this isn't just a Meta thing, it's an industry shakeup. Your next app update might feel like a sci-fi upgrade. So what's the takeaway? If you're a dev, Llama 4 is open source gold. Build apps, tweak chatbots, go wild. For us users, it's smarter social vibes and maybe cooler gadgets. Think Ray-Ban smart glasses that actually get you. Meta's playing catch up, sure, but this could level the AI field. It's trending for a reason. The potential is massive and the stakes are sky high. April 2025 is shaping up to be AI's big moment. What do you think? Will Llama 4 change the game or just make noise? Drop your hot takes in the comments.